This is my Electra, which has covered about 550 kilometers. And I am planning to give it for my first service. So I want to record the sound before the first service. So let me start the bike. This is the sound which is coming from the exhaust before my first service. I'm going to upload my next video after my first service. Thanks for watching. I'm going to upload the video after my first service. So you're going to know the difference of the first service and the after service. Thank you.